Okay, that's a good question. So implementation is especially in the pre-sales team, right? Uh, it's the stage where the client hasn't signed a deal yet, but they want to know the value of the product. So what we do as an implementation engineer is we get the data from the client, we clean it, in terms of we make it compatible to be ingested into our system. So we use some programs and algorithms to do that, and later that data gets into our pipeline where the data is processed through all the moments as in the ML moments, machine learning moments. So we analyze the data and put them into a dashboard. And in this dashboard, we like try to give the most of the product because that's the designing factor, right? So yeah, that will be the overall job role, I would say. You'll be working on integrations. The client may be working with multiple platforms. For example, we are using Zoom for this meeting, and someone would be using WebEx, someone would be using the other, right? So we need to actually integrate with all the platforms that are available. That will be the only or the main job role, and you will have the opportunity to learn more about AI when you join an AI startup because you'll be having the tech munch sessions. I mean, the tech knowledge transfer sessions every week, and it's really important to know the capability of the software, especially in the field of AI, right? Because we are developing it